Okay. Just make I remove the box.
I think we'll talk about this.
Yeah, this will be the racing seat. Mic check 1 2. Yeah. It's recording. I start recording check. As I do mic check 1 2, I record.
What are we doing?
So, listen, I have a plan. I want to start a YouTube channel, right? But I want the channel to be so transparent that people can actually feel like they're a part of the growth. So basically, you know, I'm into tech. I like sim racing. I like F1. Transportation. So my plan is to run a YouTube channel where I talk about tech. It can be anything. It doesn't really have to be with cars or vehicles or anything like that, but it can be random tech stuff. But this time around, I want to bring people on board. So when I'm doing this whole channel, they can see what the whole process is and what the experience is from the beginning, from scratch. First of all, mind you, I don't have a YouTube name, so you probably see a YouTube name right now, but as I'm recording this, I don't have a YouTube name, a channel name, but create a channel name, create a channel, shoot a video of my first, I don't know what it's going to be. I have a couple of things that will show you around that I can highlight, so it can be that. Yeah, basically that's what I want to do. Just start a YouTube channel where I talk about sim racing, F1, cars, tech, anything tech basically. Don't ask me about government stuff because I don't know. I'm not that sensible. I'm just joking. But yeah, and basically that's the intro. I'll give you my YouTube name soon, and then I don't want to give you my identity, but I'll give you my YouTube name soon. I'll give you my own face. I'll give you my YouTube name soon, and then you can start from there. So that's the plan. Any further questions before I get back to work?
You still an office tour now, or
an office tour? I don't. It's kind of messy, but I don't mind. We can. I think we can do that. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. So my office space is pretty empty. It's not much here. This is where the magic happens. But apart from that, we have the amazing F1. I'm a big Mercedes guy, so I took this off the AMG website. I'll put the link below. Find really amazing images. And this is where I have all my stuff. I don't know where I got this from. I took it from my dad. I don't know, when I try to connect it doesn't work, but when I use a car battery it works. It's weird, but yeah. And then we have this crazy Mercedes sim racing wheel. I got this from a guy in Turkey. We'll go into it. It's really nice to use. It's pretty light, and I think it was some parts were 3D printed, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, I have this from Samsung. I don't know if you guys remember. It's been quite a while. I have this shifter that I use with my. Usually I use it when I'm playing Dirt Rally or Dirt 4. Yeah, Dirt 4. I have Dirt 4, so I play or WRC. And then this is the original wheel that came with the Logitech T150. So I'll talk about how I modded this so it can fit with the whole base, but that's a conversation for another day. So yeah, that's it. This is my setup. It's pretty straightforward. I'm running everything off of my M1 Mac, LG geared monitor. It has, LG has a lot of serial numbers at their name, so I use the Yeti microphone for my meetings. I do not have a webcam. Keychron, this is like one of the favorite keyboards to ever use, that I've ever used. It's really good. And then the MS Master 3, not the S, just 3, right? Yeah, these are. And then my iPad I use for everything. That's basically everything I have here. Lights for when I work in the night or when I work at night. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically. And I have my toolbox. It has all my tools, my. You know what this is, right? Yeah, this is basically everything. I have some stuff I need to set up, but I'll show you guys in the upcoming video. So That's basically it. You want to see the guy recording. Alright man, so that'll be all for now. Don't forget to leave a comment and make sure you subscribe, like this, because I have amazing content for you guys. More tech, more DIY. I'll catch you guys later. Charlie safe. So every time, that was how it goes. That makes sense. That's cool. What do you guys think?